Namaste children, welcome to today's math class. So in the last class we discussed about the algebraic methods of finding solutions of pair of linear equations in two variables. The first method is substitution method we discussed, and problems related to substitution method from exercise number 3.3 we discussed. Today we will continue the same exercise. From that, the second sum. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. So two linear equations in two variables are given. We need to solve these two equations. Solve means it is find the solution of these two equations and hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. It is given y is equals to mx plus 3. From these two equations we will find the solution in terms of x and y. Substitute x value and y value in this and simplify, we get the m value. So now first step is solve these two equations. So given equations are, so what are the given equations? Given equations are 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Take this as equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Use, so far we discussed that is a substitution method. Use that substitution method. Here a1 by a2 that is 2 by 2. b1 by b2 it is 3 divided by minus 4, that is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Hence the substitution method is applicable and solve it. So from equation 2 or from equation 1 you can take x value, then you substitute in the other equation. So I am considering equation 1. From equation 1. So what is equation 1? 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. So I wanted to keep x on the left hand side. We also can keep y on the left hand side. We can choose anyone. So as I wanted to keep x on the left hand side, transpose plus 3y2 or hs, then it will become minus 3y. That is 2x is equals to 11 minus 3y. Then transpose 2x means it is 2 into x. Transpose 2 to the RHS. Then we get x is equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 2 will get. So now you take this as equation number 3. Now what to do? Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Why? Because equation 3 it is obtained from equation 1. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. What is equation 2? Here it is 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. So here you take 2x means it is 2 into x is equals to 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y, that is equals to minus 24. So 2 ones are and 2 ones are cancelled. 1 into 11 minus 3y is equals to 11 minus 3y, that is 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equals to minus 24. So 2 ones are cancelled. 1 into 11 minus 3y it is 11 minus 3y and minus 4y is equals to minus 24. So minus 3y minus 4y both are like terms, add them, will get both the same sign are there. So add the numbers and take the common sign. That is minus 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 7. Therefore 11 minus 7y is equals to minus 24. Now transpose 11 to RHS. Then it will become minus 7y is equals to minus 24. Plus 11 will become minus 11. Then minus 7y is equals to minus 24. Minus 11 is equals to minus 35. Transpose minus 7 which is multiplied by y. Here multiplication is there, therefore it divides. Now y is equals to minus 3y by minus 7. Minus are cancelled. 7 ones are, 7 5s are 35. So now y is equals to 5 we got. Now we need to find x. So to find x, substitute y is equals to 5 in equation 3. Substitute y is equals to 5 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? It is x is equals to 11 minus 3y, 3 into y is equals to 5. Substitute y, 5 in the place of y, that is 3 into 5 by 2. Now what we get by simplifying this? By simplifying this, what we get it is, that is x is equals to 11 minus 3 into 5, it is 3 5s are 15, minus 15 by 2, that is equals to 11 minus 15 is equals to minus 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now x is equals to what? Minus 2 we got. Therefore what is the solution of this given equations? X is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5 is the solution of given equations. So now what we have to find? We have to find the value of m from y is equals to mx plus 3. Now we know that what we know here it is y is equals to mx plus 3. Now substitute y is equals to how much? 5 and x is equals to how much? Minus 2. Substitute and simplify this. Y is equals to 5, that is equals to m into x is equals to minus 2 plus 3. That is 5 is equals to plus into minus minus 2m plus 3. Transpose plus 3 to the LHS plus 3 will become minus 3, that is 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is equals to minus 2m. Now we wanted to find m. m is equals to transpose minus 2 to LHS, as it is multiplying, therefore it divides. That is 2 divided by minus 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Now m is equals to what? Minus 1. m is equals to minus 1. Like this, first part it is, we have to find the solution of the given equations by using the substitution method. We found y is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 2. Substitute those values in the place of y and in the place of x respectively. Then we can simplify. After that we get the m value as minus 1. Is it clear, children? Yes? Now we will discuss third bit from the same exercise 3.3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems. So we were given some problems in the statement form, that is word problems. First we have to frame the equation. We have to form the linear equations, that is pair of linear equations, and then find the solution by substitution method. So in this we have two parts are there. The first part it is, we have to frame the equations. We have to make the equations by understanding the given statement. Then we need to solve those two equations. This question, the first question in that, the difference between two numbers is 26. What does it mean? The difference between, means it is definitely there one number will be the greater, the other number will be the smaller, and their difference is 26. We don't know those two numbers. Let x be the larger number and y be the greater number, or smaller number, or let x comma y are two numbers where x is greater than y. It means that x is the larger number and y is the smaller number. Their difference is 26, and one number is 3 times the other. Here one number is 3 times the other. This one number is what from this statement? This one number is the larger number. Why it is? Because it is 3 times the other number. So other number is the smaller number. So which we have taken it as what? Y. And the greater number as what? X. Then find the numbers. So find them means find the numbers. Let the numbers. So here difference is given. So let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. So now what is the first statement? The difference between two numbers means larger number x minus smaller number it is y. X minus y is equals to what? 26. This is the first equation. Take this as equation 1. Next is the second statement. One number is 3 times the other. One number means here it is what? The larger number. From this statement, one number is 3 times the other. So that one number is the larger number, that is x is equals to 3 times the other number. It is what? Smaller number, that is 3y. X is equals to 3y. This is equation number 2. Now the first part is over. We have formed the linear equations from the given statements. Now we need to solve these two equations. So from equation 2, that is equation 2, x is equals to 3y is there. Already it is there in the x. The equation is in the form of y. Now substitute here equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus y. X is equals to what is 3y. Therefore it is 3y minus y is equals to 26. 3y minus y, it is 2y, that is equals to 26. Now y is equals to 26 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what we got here, it is y is equals to, we got 13. What is y? The smaller number is 13. Now we need to find the greater number. Greater number is nothing but what is x. To find x value, substitute y is equals to 13 either in equation 2 or in equation, what it is, 1. Equation 1 or in equation 2 you can substitute so that we get the larger number, that is x. So substitute y is equals to 13 in equation 2. That is x is equals to 3y. This is equation 2. That is x is equals to 3 into y. Y is equals to 13. Therefore x is equals to 3 into 13. 33 is 39. So now we got x is equals to 39 and y is equals to 13. Therefore the required numbers are what are the required numbers? Required numbers are, it is 39 and 13. So we can verify whether it is right or wrong. The difference of these two numbers, 39 minus 13 is equals to what it is? 26. And 39 is 3 times of 13. Therefore that is the greater number is 3 times the smaller number. I hope you understand how to solve this sum. Is it clear? Now we will discuss from third bit, the fifth question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So when 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, that fraction will become what it is? 9 by 11. If 3 is added, second case, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So in this question, two statements are there, two cases. First case is the fraction will become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. The case 2, it is if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. We know for each fraction we have numerator and denominator. We know that fraction. We don't know that fraction. So let the fraction be x by y, where x is the numerator and y be the denominator. Then from case 1 write one equation, and from case 2, that is second statement, write the equation. Two equations we get. Solve those two equations by using substitution method. We will get the x value and y value. Write this in the form of a fraction so that we will get the required fraction. So here 3, in both the cases 2 is added or 3 is added. Sometimes 2 is added to the numerator and 3 is subtracted from the denominator, then the fraction will become so and so. Or 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, 3 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. Like this, different cases also can be asked in the examination. So clearly read the question, understand the question. From the given two statements, write two equations. Once if you write correct equations for the given statements, then we can solve that equations and we will reach to our result. So here what we have to take, we should find the fraction. Fraction contains numerator and denominator. Let the fraction be x by y. What is x here? It is numerator, and y it is what is y here? It is denominator. So case 1, what is case 1 here? It is that is case 1. What is case 1 here? It is 2 is added to 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, both numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes what? Then the fraction becomes, it is 9 by 11, becomes 9 by 11. So 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. This is the given fraction. When 2 is added to numerator, then the numerator will become what it is? X plus 2. Similarly, denominator it is y plus 2. That is equals to what? 9 by 11. 9 by 11. So now here go for cross multiplication. What we get by taking cross multiplication? 11 into x it is 11x plus 2 into 11 it is 22. That is equals to 9 into y it is 9y plus 9 into 2 it is 9 2s are 18. Convert that into the general form. That is transpose 9y to the left hand side will become minus 9y. 11x minus 9y, that is equals to 18, and transpose plus 12 to 22 to the RHS, it will become minus 22. Now it is 11x minus 9y, that is equals to 18 minus 22, it is minus 4. So now we got one equation from the first statement. Similarly, write the second statement, that is case 2. What is case 2? If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction will become what it is? 5 by 6. 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Therefore, what it is? 3 is added to numerator. Numerator it is x. Therefore, it is x plus 3 divided by y plus 3. That is equals to 5 by 6. Again, by cross multiplication, what we get? 6 into x it is 6x plus 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Similarly, 5 into y it is 5y plus 5 into 3 it is 15. Bring all the variables one side and constants to the other side. Now it is 6x. Transpose plus y, 5y to the LHS will become minus 5y, that is equals to 15, and transpose plus 18 to RHS will become minus 18. Now it is 6x minus 5y, that is equals to 15 minus 18, it is minus 3. Now we got two equations. So from these two equations, now we have to solve these two equations to get the required fraction. So from the given two statements, write two linear equations. That is the first part of the problem of all the word problems. Then solve those two equations. We will reach to our result. Is it clear? Now solve these two equations. So how do we solve? By using the substitution method. From equation 1 or from equation 2, write the x value and you substitute in the other equation. So I am considering here it is equation 1 I am taking. From equation 1, what is equation 1? Here it is 11x minus 9y is equals to minus 4. So I wanted to find Lx. That is 11x is equals to transpose minus 9y to the RHS, will get 9y minus 4. Now x is equals to what? 9y minus 4 divided by 11. So take this as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now substitute equation number 3 in equation 2 in the place of x. That is substitute x is equals to 9y minus 4 divided by 11 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Here it is 6x, that is 6 into x is equals to 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y, that is equals to minus 3. Now simplify this so that we get what it is from. Then simplify these two equations, we will get. So here it is, multiply with 6. 6 into 9, 6 9s are 54. 54y minus 6 into 4 it is 24 by 11 minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Now take LCM. 5y means is 5 by 1 take LCM, 11 and 1 it is 11. So divide with 11 we get 1. 1 into 54y, that is 54y minus 24 and minus, divide with 1 we will get 11 as the quotient. 11 into 5, 11 5s are 55, that is minus 55y is equals to minus 3. Now simplify here. 54y minus 55y is equals to minus y minus 24 divided by 11, that is equals to minus 3. Again by cross multiplication or transpose 11 to RHS, here it is dividing, therefore it multiplies. When it is multiplied, 11 into minus 3 it is minus 33 we get, therefore it is minus y minus 24 is equals to 11 into minus 3, that is minus y minus 24 is equals to minus 11 into 3 it is 33, minus 33. Now minus y is equals to transpose minus 24 to RHS, that is minus 33 minus 24 will become plus 24. Now minus y is equals to, what we get it is minus 33 plus 24 is equals to minus 9. Now minus and minus are cancelled, y is equals to 9 we got. Y is equals to 9, that is denominator is 9. Now find x. To find x, substitute y is equals to 9 in equation 3. Substitute y is equals to 9 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Here it is, x is equals to 9 into y is equals to 9, that is 9 into 9 minus 4 divided by 11, that is equals to 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 4 divided by 11. 81 minus 4 it is 77 by 11. 11 1s are 11 7s are. Therefore x is equals to what? 7. That is numerator is equals to 7 and denominator is equals to 9. Therefore the required fraction is what is the required fraction? Numerator it is 7 divided by denominator it is 9, that is 7 by 9. 7 by 9. You can verify this whether it is satisfied or not. Verification. So what is the fraction? It is 7 by 9 is the fraction. When 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, that is 7 plus 2 plus 2, it is 7 plus 2 it is 9, 9 plus 2 it is 11, 9 by 11, that is the first case is satisfied. Second case it is when 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6, that is 7 plus 3 divided by 9 plus 3, that is equals to 10 by 12, 2 5s are 2 6 are, 5 by 6 we got. Hence the second condition is also satisfied. So like this we will find the denominator and numerator and we will find the required fraction. So in so many ways this question can be asked. Instead of adding you may get it subtracted, or instead of subtracted, one will be subtracted, the other one will be the at least added, that is numerator is subtracted and denominator from denominator is added. Like these questions also can be asked which are similar to these questions. I hope you understand this sum. Is it clear, children? Now we will discuss the second method, that is elimination method. The second algebraic method is elimination method. The word elimination means it is removing or eliminating one variable from the given two variables of the given linear equations. How do we remove it? That is by equating the coefficients, by converting the coefficients of either x or y as equal coefficients. So the first step it is we should make the coefficients of any one variable are equal. That is done by multiplying one equation, or sometimes we need to multiply both the equations. That is depending upon the equations. First step it is equating the coefficients. Step 1 in this, what is the step 1? Here it is equating the coefficients. Equating the coefficients. So how do we equate the coefficients of x and y, that is variables, anyone. So we can equate either x variable, x coefficients, or we can equate the y coefficient. That is the first step. We have to equate the coefficients of either x or y. How it is done? That is step 2. It is done by multiplying equations, by multiplying equation 1 or equation 2, or sometimes both the equations with some constants, equations with some number, then what will happen? Here the coefficients will be equal, either x or y. The third step it is, when here it is equal, then we have to subtract or add the equations, add or subtract the equations. Why we will add or subtract the equations? To eliminate or to remove one variable. So once the one variable is removed or it is eliminated, then we get the answer in the in one variable, that is linear equation in one variable. By transposing method we can find the value of that variable. Then by substituting in equation 1 or in equation 2, we will find the solution of the given equations. What are the steps here? It is step 1. We should equate the coefficients of either x or y. That is done by multiplying equation 1 or equation 2, or sometimes both the equations with some numbers. Then once the coefficients are equated, that is equal coefficients are there, then by adding or by subtracting. When we add, if the same signs are there, we will add the numbers. When different signs are there, we will add the numbers. When same signs are there, we will subtract the equations. When same signs are there, subtract the equations. When different signs are there with same coefficients, add the equations. Then one variable will be eliminated, or it is cancelled, or it is removed. Then we can find the one variable value we can find, that we can substitute in the given equation, so that we can find the other variable value also here. So when we equate here, when we add or subtract, sometimes both variables will be eliminated. That is, the statement will become what it is. Sometimes the given statement may be true or it may be false. If the statement is true, then for that equations we have infinite number of solutions. If the given statement is wrong, that is left hand side LHS value and RHS value is not equal, that is false statement. If it occurs, then there is no solution for that equations. Then we cannot apply the elimination method, or we cannot apply the substitution method. That is what I discussed already here for the substitution method. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. In that case only we will use either elimination method or substitution method. So these are the steps which are involved in the elimination method to find the solutions of given equations. I hope you understand the steps. Now I will explain with some example. Is it clear? Now exercise number 3.4, the first bit. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and by the substitution method. Two methods we have to use to solve this equation, and we will verify in both the methods we got the same solution or not. First we will discuss elimination method. So first one we will discuss elimination method. So under elimination method, what we will do, we will equate the coefficients of variables. So given equations are, what are the equations which are given here? It is given equations are x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Let you take this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Observe the coefficients of x. Here in the first equation, coefficient of x is 1, and here in the second equation, the coefficient of x is 2. So to make equal coefficients of x, so what to do? Multiply equation 1 with 2, whole equation 1 with 2, then we get 2 into x plus 2 into y is equals to 5 into 10. Then both the x coefficients are equal. If we want to make y coefficients are equal, here y coefficient is 1 and here the y coefficient is 3. To make these y coefficients are equal, multiply equation 1 with 3. As I told, we can equate the coefficients of any one variable. So if you want to equate x variables as the coefficients of x variable as equal, multiply equation 1 with 2. If we want to equate the y coefficients of y, multiply the equation 1 with 3. Is it clear, children? So we can use any one. So multiply equation 1 with 2. Therefore what we get, it is 2 into x plus y, that is equals to 5 into 2. We should multiply on both the sides, LHS and RHS. Now it is 2 into x, it is 2x, plus 2 into y, 2y, that is equals to 5 into 10. It is 5 into 2, it is 10. Now we got equation number 3. Now we observe equation 2 and equation 3. The x coefficients are 2x and 2x. Coefficients are same with the same sign is there. So when same sign is there, what to do? Subtract the equations. With different signs are there, add the equations. Now equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3 we are subtracting. What is equation 2? Here it is 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. 2x minus 3y, that is equals to 4. Equation 3 it is 2x plus 2y, that is equals to 10. Now we are subtracting. While you are subtracting, what will happen? This is plus sign is there, signs will change, minus, plus will become minus, and this is plus and it will become minus. Now plus 2x and minus 2x both are cancelled, will get 0. Then minus 3y minus 2y, same signs are there, add the numbers, will get minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, y is equals to minus 10 plus 4, different signs are there, subtract the number and take the larger number sign, that is 10 minus 4 it is 6, which is equals to minus 6. Now minus and minus are cancelled, y is equals to what? 6 and transpose 5 to the RHS, as it is multiplied, therefore it divides 6 by 5. Now y is equals to what it is? 6 by 5. Find x. To find x, substitute y is equals to 6 by 5 either in equation 1 or in equation 2 or in equation 3, so that we can find the x value. I am substituting in equation 1. Therefore, what is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 5. X plus y is equals to what? 6 by 5, that is equals to 5. X plus y is equals to 6 by 5 and that is equals to 5. Transpose 6 by 5 to the RHS, we get x is equals to 5 plus 6 by 5 will become minus 6 by 5, and you take the LCM, that is x is equals to 5 is the LCM, here 5 by 1, 1 and 5 LCM it is 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 1 into 6 it is 6. So now what we get, x is equals to 25 minus 6 is equals to it is 19 by 5. Therefore what is the solution? X is equals to 19 by 5 and y is equals to 6 by 5 is the required solution. Is the required solution of given equations. Required solution of given equations. Like this we will find in the elimination method. How do we find? First step it is, we should make the coefficients of either x or y equal. I have made here x equal by multiplying equation 1 with 2. If we want to make y coefficients are equal, multiply equation with 3. Then equation 2 and equation 3, they have x coefficients are same with same sign. So subtract the equations, we will get y value. Substitute y value in the equation 1, so that we will get the x value as 19 by 5. Therefore the solution is 19 by 5, 6 by 5 is the required solution. So this is by elimination method. Now we will find for the same substitution method also. Is it clear? Now solve this by using the second method, that is substitution method also. Now given equations are, what are the given equations here? Given equations are x plus y, that is equals to 5 take this as equation 1, and the second equation it is 2x minus 3y, that is equals to 4 as equation number 2. Now observe, from equation 1, substitution method, from equation 1, x is equals to transpose plus y to the RHS will become minus y, that is 5 minus y is the third equation. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Now what we get? What is equation 2? It is 2x, means 2 into x, that is 2 into x is equals to what? 5 minus y, 5 minus y, minus 3y is equals to 4, minus 3y, that is equals to 4. 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, plus into minus, 2 into y is 2y, minus 3y, that is equals to 4. Transpose 10 to the RHS, it will become minus 10, minus 2y, minus 3y, it is minus 5y, that is equals to 4, minus 10, minus 5y is equals to 4, minus 10 is equals to minus 6, minus and minus are cancelled, 5y is equals to 6, y is equals to transpose 5 to RHS, it is multiplied, therefore it divides, we will get 6 by 5. So y is equals to 6 by 5. Now substitute y is equals to 6 by 5 in equation 3. In equation 3, what is equation 3? It is x is equals to 5 minus y is equals to 6 by 5. Take LCM is 5. 5 5s are 25 and minus 6. We will get x is equals to 25 minus 6 is equals to what? 19 by 5. X is equals to 19 by 5. Therefore, 19 by 5, comma 6 by 5 is the 6 by 5. 19 by 5, comma 6 by 5 is the required solution. Required solution of given equations. Required solution. So what we got in the first method, that is elimination method, we got same solution, that is 19 by 5, and here it is 6 by 5. We got the same solution from the both the methods. I hope you understand elimination method and as well as substitution method. And today's homework, it is exercise number 3.3, question number 3 in that second bit, third bit and fourth bit and sixth bit. So 4 questions. Exercise number 3.3, question number 3, second bit, third bit, fourth bit and sixth bit. Complete the given homework. Thank you very much.